Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a double exposure in Photoshop and the threshold effect in Photoshop. Let's jump right in. Here's how to create a double exposure in Photoshop. Open your portrait photo. Then, drag in a second image such as a cityscape. Change the top layer's blending mode to screen or lighten for an instant overlay. Add a layer mask and use a soft black brush to hide the parts you don't want to show. Adjust the brightness and contrast until both images blend seamlessly. And there you go! Your double exposure is done. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and then Threshold. Slide left or right to set the level, and instantly your photo turns into bold, high-contrast black and white art. It's perfect for stencils, posters, or edgy pop art designs. And that's it! Double exposure in Photoshop for artistic blends and threshold in Photoshop for bold graphics. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tricks. See you next time.